Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this new video, I teach you about the topic how to create a Google account. Get started on Google Clouds, Google Platforms, why Google Clouds platform, create free account, pricing calculators, Google Technical Support, Google Cloud Solutions. Create a Google account, create a Gmail account. People also ask, how can I create a Google account? How do I create a Google account on my phone? How do I open a new email account? Is it free to create a new Google account? Creating a Google account. People also search for create new Gmail account, create new Gmail account, Google account sign in, create account, Gmail login, another account. Create a new account step by step. Whether you just bought your first Android device, you just need a new way to contact people. You might be looking for a way to create a Google account. It might sound like a confusing process, but it's pretty simple. Here show to set a Google account without any help. Find step-by-step instructions below. Quick answers to set up a Google account on mobile requires going to your setting and then account. Choose Google and follow on the screen instructions to set up a Google account on a browser. Go to Google account sign up page and enter your details. Before we get started, how to step a Google account on your Android or iOS phone. How to step up Google account using a browser. Before you jump in, keep in mind that US citizens have to at least 13 years old to step a Google account and 18 to add a credit card. Play Store subscribes to YouTube channels. Google also asks for iPhone numbers in order to recover your account if it is lost or stolen, as most of Google services are free of charges, including Gmail. Photos editing a credit card is optional and options would be problems. How to step a Google account on your Android or iPhone. Create a new Google account, only take a few minutes and there is no limit to the number of Google accounts you can have. Android device, open the settings up and select the account options. The next step is to tap account to button and choose Google's. Samsung and Next foldables are coming on July 50 in Samsung credit. So now our topic is and see you the next video. Take care, bye.